Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy from the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Today we are analyzing the Nifty 50 price and time cycle as per the Gann trading systems. So on your screen is the daily chart of Nifty 50 with the price cycle levels marked horizontally in red, and the diagonal lines are the true Gann angles derived mathematically as per the Gann geometry. So you can see on the chart that we were restricted here from September 24 till date. We could not cross this price cycle level. Okay. So the resistance here taken and drop below this price cycle level, we were into correction. So as long as we were above this, we could have challenged the next price cycle, and most of the time we reach near the fag end of the cycle but could not hit the cycle level or cross the cycle level. Now from here you can see this was the first attempt at the cycle level, then we crossed, came down, then this was the crossover of the angle, and then the overthrow to the next cycle point. And then we took out this Gann level, which was very important, and we started correcting. So once we came down this cycle level, we could not stay above this level, did a double top here, came, took support here on the Gann angle, bounce back, again took support on the price level, again bounce back, and then overthrow on the downside. Then we recovered, conquered the Gann angle, took support on the price level, again overthrow, again came down, back tested the Gann angle, came down, broke the price cycle level, came down the took support on the Gann level, hit the price cycle level, then again did some time pass here on the Gann angle, took support here, overthrow, again sideways here, again hit the price cycle level here, again came and stopped at the Gann angle and took the Gann angle with a huge gap down. Okay, and then the recovery started. So once we crossed this price cycle level, went above the Gann level, took support on the price cycle level, again above the Gann level, took higher support here, hit the price cycle level 1, 2, 3, again came down, triple bottom here, hit the Gann angle, exactly hit the Gann angle here, took resistance at the price cycle level, took support on the Gann angle, again crossover of the price cycle, then higher lows. So once we get such higher low, we can make higher low above the Gann angle. So we did not touch this price cycle level, so we need to cross this price cycle level, but we took resistance here. Okay, three attempts were made above the 27 September 2024 high. All the three attempts failed. We could not sustain there, and from here Jan 5th the correction started, backtested the Gann angle, took support on the price cycle level, overthrow, then down on the Gann angle support, then the Trump tariff waiver made the final high here below the Jan 5th high. This was done on 3rd February, came down, tried to go over the Gann angle, could not sustain, gap down, hit the Gann angle, took support on the price cycle, again gap down, again took support here on the Gann angle, again gap down, again took support here, went above, broke the price cycle level, and currently on Friday we have closed in the vicinity of the Gann angle. Okay. Now, most important thing is not the price cycle level, it is the Gann angle on the chart. Okay, so all the points on the Gann angle are price and time squaring points. Okay, so you can see the squaring of the high made in March 2024, and then the low made here. Again, we are squaring that low. So Monday, the next week is going to be very, very important for Nifty 50 cycle. Okay, so if you know the Nifty 60 time cycle, then you could have known that Nifty 50 was in for a major correction. Okay, now how big is the correction, that time only will tell. Okay, and the Gann angles will tell. So the first correction, start of the correction was given by this angle. This was the support where we took support, made the final attempt here. Then sideways action here, again gap down, and we are at this Gann angle. Now, if we break this Gann angle, then we are in for this price cycle point. If we don't sustain here, then we are coming till here. Okay. So for 20th March, okay, 20th March 2026, the Gann angle level is on your screen. Okay. This is not the exact, you need to derive it mathematically. Okay. So this is the nearby level. Okay. If this holds and we take support here, or we stay above this Gann angle, then we could do a recovery attempt. Okay. Now you will know the April lows are in between these two Gann angles, March and April lows, but the pre-exit pole lows are on this angle. Okay. So this was the manipulation done then. Okay. This was a manipulated low here. Again, this was a manipulated high here. Okay. So this market, okay, we can say manipulation is abundantly visible here. But then, whatever the reason we give, okay, we may blame the geopolitical situation, we may blame our prime minister, we may blame the US president, everything, but everybody giving a name to an event is the norm of the day. Every day you will find news coming in. Because of this, Nifty is down. Because of that, Nifty is up. But Nifty has its own vibrations. Okay. So whenever you are analyzing any script, any index, you need to analyze it without the external factors. You have to analyze the price vibration, and you have to analyze the time vibration also. Okay. So for Nifty, we have completed one very, very important time cycle, and the current correction is due to that time cycle completion. Okay, so you may find difference between Nifty and Bank Nifty, even Sensex, but Sensex is nearly proportional to Nifty correction, but Bank Nifty was defying the Nifty correction till the high made in February. Now, Bank Nifty has started corresponding to the Nifty high from February top, and it is also down. Okay, so now all the indices are in sync and correcting, so there is no divergence as was seen on Bank Nifty. Now, still, Bank Nifty is little up, but Bank Nifty time cycle is different, Nifty time cycle is different, Sensex time cycle is different. So whenever you are drawing any analogy between the indices, you may be wrong. Okay. because every security, every index has its own vibrations, and you have to draw your conclusions as per the merits of the individual security vibrations, not on the consensus. Okay, there is no comparison between because of this going up, this will go up, and because of this coming down, this will come down. Okay, normally the sentiments matter, but the price cycle levels and time cycle levels you cannot deny. Okay, it is human psychology that we need to give some reason to an event, and once we have get given that reason or named it after somebody or found the culprit for it, okay, blamed it on somebody, then we are peaceful. Okay, yes, I have found the reason because of this has happened and I am satisfied. Okay, so this is what general analysis outside the Gann world will say what is happening. Okay, every system has its own merits, demerits. Okay, so you have to follow the rules of the system. Okay, so here we are not comparing our system, Gann system, with any other system or blaming other systems, but you need to follow the rules of the system. So currently on Nifty 50, we are here on a very important Gann level. Okay, I have given you the 20 March level shown you on chart, which should hold. If it does not hold, then we are coming down to this Gann level. Okay, we are coming down to this Gann level. So this is all from me at Gann Supremacy YouTube channel, and this is the Nifty analysis for you. Okay, so this 20 March is annual cycle, but then we are having bigger cycles, time cycles coming in. So you need to respect the time cycle also. Okay, there are a lot of Gann rules which you can use to do your analysis. So you need to study the Gann trading system thoroughly and then come to the conclusions for your portfolio management or your trades. Okay, so if you want to learn the right knowledge, visit our website gansupremacy.com, go to the various courses, see what suits you, and do the payment and learn from us the right Gann analysis. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching it till here. Have a great trading week ahead on Nifty 50. Thank you.